I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure you have a clear view of the southern sky and remove obstructions within 30 degrees of the horizon. Power the satellite finder and enter the LNB type and frequency. Set die SXC if your setup uses multiple LNBs. Mount the finder on the dish feed arm, then point the dish roughly to the provider's published azimuth and elevation so you can start fine-tuning immediately. Once done with rough aiming, continue to the complex middle steps, fine-tuning for signal lock. You slowly sweep the dish left and right, then up and down, monitoring SNR and dB on the finder. Those numbers tell you direction and quality. Adjust elevation in small, half-degree increments until the strength peaks, then hold and refine azimuth until SNR stabilizes. Make sure to tighten bolts a little at a time and recheck after each small movement so you don't finish the task by locking everything in and validating the signal. You tighten all fasteners fully, then confirm a successful lock by running a receiver channel scan and watching for stable SNR. If channels fail to appear, troubleshoot. Check LNB power, cable polarity, and frequency settings. Those are frequent causes. If still off, reseat F connectors, replace any damaged cable, or nudge the dish by 1/4 degree and retest. That single adjustment often recovers a marginal lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.